The BISSELL Steam Shot is a wonder cleaner. This is going to change the way you clean your house. I'm going to give you a very quick overview of what all these awesome parts are. And the instruction booklet is very clear. So I'm going to do it very fast so you can see the results of what each of these parts clean. Buckle up, here we go. You fill the water into the steamer with the cup that's provided. Only use this filler because it gets it exactly where it's supposed to go, and it's distilled water and it gives you a max line. You should not put it under the sink. Read the instructions carefully. Don't be overwhelmed by all of the attachments or the instructions are very clear. It's come with this extended hose, which provides all of the great uses that we're going to go over with these attachments, but with an extension to reach in different places. Now I'm going to show you the attachments. This is a neat attachment. It's 2-in-1. It's a squeegee cleaner with a fabric cleaner tucked inside. You pull it out and you put on this little terry cloth pad, and it can clean all sorts of fabrics. Curtains, draperies, upholstery. Watch and see how we're going to clean this dirty chair. You can see it has some skills on it. We're going to attack it with the steamer here. Very nicely done, and we just go over it a few times, and it steam cleans this stain right out. We're going to clean it fast here with some extra pressure and get that stain out. We're also going to clean the top of this chair, and you will see how it cleans it so well. We're going to let that dry. In just a few minutes, the stain is lifted. The top of the chair is going to be spotless as well. And we're also going to use it on the sofa. This sofa isn't dirty, but it's used a lot, and I wanted to give it a little freshening. It's really good for that. On all things, beds, bedding, all types of things can be used with this fabric cleaner. Now here is an old switch plate that has a lot of sticky residue from some tape being on it for a long time. This round brush will take that tape residue right off, and it gives it such a good scrubbing that you can see it coming down, and you just wipe it with a towel. The steam works very good even where this old tape was. Look at the sparkling clean that is leaving behind. Now we're going to move to the kitchen. These 3 round brushes are for different use. You can just pick one for different color for each area of your house. We're going to do this sticky spot in the refrigerator. This refrigerator spot is very sticky. It's just spilled honey or something, and it comes right off with this round steamer. Another part of the refrigerator that needs a lot of attention, you can just wipe it up. This drawer, this freezer drawer, gets lots of little crumbs and residue in that folded area. We're going to clean it right up with this round brush, and it comes right out. It takes those hard to reach places like in your car, and it works there as well. This is a little sliding flat brush that can be used to scrape up spills as well as reach really hard to reach spots. Again, very good in the car. Then we're going to move to the bathroom. This is the Grout brush. You can see it's going to have steam in a concentrated vertical spot with 2 little brushes on each side, and it's cleaning the grout in all these hard to reach places. It's great for baseboards. It's great for the grout here, as you can see. Every area that needs a small crevice, this grout brush will do it just perfectly. And then we're going to move to the icky spot. The toilet, all the icky places in the bathroom that need cleaning, even the hard to reach areas with this special nozzle will be cleaned with the BISSELL spot. Now we're going to wrap it up again with a grout overview because it's so good on grout. You will love this.